Hello, math class. Today is our very last lesson. It's been a great pleasure to teach you all of the math knowledge that I have. Remember when I taught you how to make fractions? It was a good lesson. I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, Leonardo, it's okay. I'm gonna miss them too. They really were an awesome math class, right?
Yes, they were.
Yeah, I know. I am gonna miss you guys. You have been an amazing math class, and you're totally ready for 7th grade math. You're gonna do awesome. Please come back and visit. Right, Leonardo? Okay. For our last lesson, we are going to be working in our workbook on page 289. So let's get going. And on to page 289, we have this adorable little nugget who is riding on a remote control car. And it doesn't really acknowledge him at all, though. It only talks about Rick and Nikki. I don't know how, there's a small dog riding around on the car and they don't even talk about him. Anyway, Rick and Nikki own remote control cars. They use a stopwatch to record the speed of each car. Whose car is faster? Let's take a look at the tables. Here is the table that has Rick's speed. So some of it is filled in. When it takes 30 seconds to go 150 feet. And then Nikki's car, it takes 20 seconds to go 80 feet. So how can you determine, since the values are not the same, you can't just look at them as they are, you've got to find another way to look at those values. So let's see, what do you think I should do? Okay, here's what I did. I went and found the unit rate. And I did that by dividing 150 by 30. And when I do that, I find that it can go 5 feet in 1 second. Okay, so that's my unit rate, is 5 feet in 1 second. It's a unit rate because I found out one of the values as 1, okay? Now let's do the same thing with Nikki's car. So if I want to know how far Nikki's car can go in 1 second, I will divide the distance by the amount of time. So I'm going to divide 80 by 20, and that will go in 4 times. So that means that Nikki's car can go 4 feet in 1 second. So Rick's car is faster. Okay? Make sense? All right. Let's see. If each car maintains its rate of speed, how long will it take Rick's car to travel 300 feet? How long will it take Nikki's car to travel the same distance? Okay, well, since we found out our unit rate in seconds, we can use that to help us answer this question. So if I know that Rick's car can go 5 feet in 1 second, and I want to see how long it'll take to go 300 feet, all I have to do is figure out how many times does 5 go into 300. Well, it will go 60 times. So if I multiply 5 by 60, I get 300. So if I also multiply 1 by 60, then I'll have the amount of time. So that means that Rick's car can go 60 feet, can go 300 feet in 60 seconds. So we also want to know, how long will it take Nikki's car to travel 300 feet? So what should I do? Let's see. I know that it can go 4 feet in 1 second. It wants to go 300 feet. Okay, let's do that same calculation. 300 feet. Let's divide that by 4. And let's see, 4 into 30. Let's do 7, and that's 28. Subtract, and we have 2 left over. Then we bring down that 0. 4 times 5, and that comes out even. So that means that Nikki's car can go 300 feet in 75 seconds. Make sense? All right. So the last page that we'll be doing together is page 290. Ethan swam 11 laps in the pool in 8 minutes. Austin swam 7 laps in the same pool in 5 minutes. Which boy swam at a faster rate? Okay, this is exactly like the remote control problem on the previous page. So look at those ratios, because that's what you're going to be comparing. 11 in 8 minutes or 7 in 5 minutes. So use the same strategy, or if you come up with a different one that works, you can try that too, to do this as we used in the problem before. And then match it with these. Okay, let's look at the one last time. Ready? Try it.
I've been practicing.
Ashley is Austin's older sister. She trains in the same pool and can swim 9 laps in 6 minutes. Is Ashley a faster swimmer than Austin? Well, it's kind of set up this problem for you. It tells you what to, how to start, right? 9 divided by what, do you think? 6 divided by what? Okay? So, and then complete these problems to finish it off. All right? Okay, pause the video here and work on those, and then we'll come back and go over them. All right, let's take a look. So really, all you had to do was look down the page a little bit, and I showed you what to do, but hopefully you were thinking about it too. So if you divide 11 laps by 8 minutes, you'll find the unit rate for how long it takes to do 1 lap, or how many laps you can do in 1 minute. So Ethan swam 1.375 laps each minute. And Austin, we divided 7 laps by 5 minutes to find the unit rate, and Austin swam 1.4 laps, let's see, in 1 minute. So Austin is a little bit faster. All right, Austin, don't get too cocky, because here comes your big sister, Ashley. Let's take a look at Ashley. So if you divide 9 by 6, because it's 9 laps in 6 minutes, you will find out the unit rate. Okay, so let's see, that means that in 1 minute, Ashley can swim 1.5 laps. So Ashley is a faster swimmer. All right, so how about this one? Convince me? How can you use the unit rate in minutes per lap to compare Ashley's speed to Austin's speed? Well, Ashley can swim 1 lap in 67 hundredths of a minute versus Austin, who can swim 71 hundredths. So Ashley, it takes him 71 hundredths of a minute, so Ashley is faster. So what I did there is the reverse. Up here, we were looking for how far in 1 minute. Down here, we're looking for how many minutes for one lap. So you just reverse your division there. Okay? All right, you guys, that is all I am going to ask you to do today. There's lots more work in this workbook. If you want to continue over the summer, it'll be good for you to do. But if you don't, you will still be ready. Okay? There will definitely be some review at the beginning of your 7th grade class. There always is. And you can always come back and visit me and ask me questions. All right? So I look forward to seeing you on Friday for graduation. Congratulations, graduates. And I'll see you then. Bye.